Oh, that one
There
was
came with enough
bad.
force that I wasn't trying to catch it, I was trying to stop it.
You told me to throw things with force.
When did I say that? Can you please cite several examples?
When I said, and then you said, just throw things with force.
Let us see what we've got, my friends. Another big box. Well, we're just gonna keep on going. All right, behold, my friends, and it keeps going. It just keeps going. Okay, sure. You know what? Now that it's getting smaller, I'm narrowing down what I think it is. Behold, my friends, the latest and greatest in technological inventions.
A black box.
The latest and greatest in technological inventions.
Oh my god, you're doing this on purpose now.
No! I'm trying to do a grand reveal.
No.
Your gaming masterpiece awaits, the Razer Signature Collection.
Ooh.
This is a mouse? All of this for a mouse?
Yeah.
So this is the Razer Viper Mini Signature Edition.
Yes.
So a couple of things to say immediately. Obviously a super lightweight mouse. I will actually pull out the scale in a second, but it's not plastic. It's cold to the touch.
It is a magnesium alloy exoskeleton, and because of that, it weighs around 49 grams.
That is really lightweight. Okay, what's this? Okay, so we're gonna compare it to another exoskeleton-based. Oh, it's so much heavier. This weighs like 3 pounds. Actually, that's pretty similar. Okay, so the Razer mouse comes in at 48 grams, and this AliExpress mouse weighs in at 47. We also do have, see, I'm assuming the cable here. Dude, this whole packaging feels like it's meant as like a collector's edition. Like, do actual people buy these? I feel like no one actually buys this.
So this sells out immediately. So they only do these in drops.
Oh.
So they literally cannot make these fast enough.
Yeah. Okay, all right, let's give this thing a try. I am really afraid to ask how much this was, because I think the answer is absurdly expensive. So this is AimLab, which I have gotten multiple world records adjudicated by Billy Mitchell.
You just download that right now.
Yeah,
What?
literally. I set this up for you.
I've actually never done this before
You
in
didn't
my
even
life.
log in on your own account.
Yeah, this
Ken
is
set
my
this up
account.
for me. Apparently this is a good way to show how good I am. All right, so as you can see, real fine DPI. Okay, I'm gonna need a few minutes to get warmed up. So everyone just sort of settle in and prepare yourself for the training montage. All right, I got a new score of 33,519, and I'm currently ranked first in the world. Oh, sorry, wait. No, 144282.
Well, you gotta try harder, champ.
My guess is that this mouse costs $350.
Well, I got great news for you.
Is it 500?
No, it's only 300.
Oh,
Only.
this is absolutely not meant to be used. It's meant to show off your exquisite taste in gaming peripherals. And you know what? Someone who has shelves of Pokemon cards in my life, I also like to show off my exquisite taste in
Cardboard.
cardboard, yes. What the hell is that?
Oh.
No, I would say
That's tech?
I might have gotten this like 3 years ago.
Well, yeah, the box looks like it's 3 years old. Deformation Shoes. And it's some cool kid breakdancing with his, are these skate shoes? Oh no.
get ready to get deformed.
Okay, here's the thing, right? I used to know how to skate and rollerblade.
Used to?
Yeah, when I was like 7 and I had the flexible joints of a child. Now I'm old and creaky and looking at a wheel makes me a little bit queasy sometimes. So we got a bunch of hardware, which is what I love to see with shoes, just lots of hardware. Well, there is a bonus here. As a certified 5'11" individual, this is gonna give me a couple extra inches of height. Not that I need it or anything.
Wait, 5'11"?
Canonically,
Matt.
I am 5'11". Okay, so wow, that's a huge difference. So this is,
These are actual platforms.
yeah, like this is the difference in how high my feet are now. So next time I need to go to the DMV and tell them how tall I am, I will be wearing these. Okay, so I will say, wow, I feel really, really tall. Can you see the difference? Edit team, can you pull up before and after? Look how big. Look, I'm so big. My shirt is on the table. I didn't realize, I don't care about the wheels. Who cares about this? I can wear shoes that make me taller. This is an incredible discovery.
You learned about this after 30
Are you
over
trying
30
to tell me that there's
years?
some other form of shoes that increase your height?
It's like you've never even heard of the artist formerly known as Prince.
Okay, so how do I activate? So
Okay,
it
so
says
you open them up.
open. What do you mean open? Like how do you open?
There's like a thing that says open.
So it's got like a little swinging mechanism. So this goes here and this comes here. So if I twist it, oh wait, I'm feeling, ah! Oh,
There
no.
you go. Oh, I don't like
talent.
this. Where he's
so
gonna
we should have put
he's
knee
going
pads
to
on
hit his
him.
head on any bit of the furniture here.
Oh man, these are so fun.
You look like you're about to go work at Sonic.
Yeah.
Ready?
Nice.
Look at you go. Look at you go.
All I know is now I'm officially too tall to fit on the set. This is great. Now, not only do you see the shirt, you see the belt, and
Stop.
Okay.
I'm just saying you can
Censor
see
all of that. Can we? Wait, editors. I know you're gonna hate me for this, but can we raise up the table a little bit in post?
Whoop! How much are these delightful deformation shoes that give me confidence and, importantly, a little extra speed and probably a trip to the ER tonight?
$98.
Really?
You know what? They're hideously ugly.
Yeah.
I don't think if you see me coming down the street wearing these,
Beat 'em
boy,
up.
That doesn't honestly feel all that different.
Yeah, like
don't harsh my vibe, yo. I'm having a great time. I now have the power of wheeled transportation on the bottom of my feet, and you can't take that away from me. And also, I'm now permanently 6'1", so this is just a win-win.
oh, now you're 6'1".
But
You
the
were
shoes
sick-
I am.
you-
Yeet! Did I make the sound effect? Normally, edit team add the sound effect. I did that one myself. So today, we have a very special guest to help me unbox things. Mike, would you please give me a hand with this particular item?
Thank you.
Mike Hurley is a longtime friend of mine. Hopefully, will be after this item.
Mike's
And,
too tall for the set.
I'm good.
Mike is not a particularly tall
Thank you.
person. Like
You know, I feel
it
like,
just shows how short the rest of us are.
here's the thing. I've done a lot of. All right, would you help me unbox whatever
Yeah.
it is that this thing is? This is a phone.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah, this looks
Yoda
like
Bricks, China 2017. I assume it's a phone, right? Because these are clearly phone accessories. Healthy eye protection and a paper book experience.
Okay.
So it looks like it's a regular LCD on the front and then an e-ink on the back.
that
and
would
then-
explain this weird phone case with the hole in it.
Oh, so you're gonna read from the back of your phone.
The whole time I'm like, why is there a hole in this case? Why is that?
Well, here's the thing. I can tell it's an old phone because look at the giant physical button. Like that's actually like Android from 2017. And then you got the screen on the back.
It is a Russian mobile brand, but they went bankrupt in 2019.
Well, I gotta say, this is very not Russian.
yeah.
What's going on here?
To their credit, they were one of the first and big companies to actually feature an e-ink display on a phone.
Sure. How much was the Yoda 3?
Well, we bought it.
Yeah.
Remember, this is after they went bankrupt.
Years and years after they went bankrupt, yes.
We bought it for $460.
Why? Why? It's so old.
Because first of all, you were really excited. Remember that other thing that you thought was an e-ink phone? And you're
Yes.
like, oh, that's really exciting.
do
And then it
remember
wasn't a phone.
Yeah, that was-
Well,
that's
so we
right.
got you an e-ink phone. Why are you complaining?
This thing is 2018.
He is being pretty ungrateful right now.
It's my money.
Our money.
It's our money.
Oh, you flipped it. Oh, there we go. That's yikes. Wow, that is one of the things of all time.
I remember Game Boy camera.
Wait, so we can just use the back as an interface then, right? Like we could just navigate Android? Oh, guess we're gonna play on the back.
Let's go. Do you know how to play chess?
Let's play chess. Let's do it.
Do you know how to play chess?
I do know how to play chess. Do you know?
You do?
Kind of.
Okay, cool. Great.
The Humphrey Gambit you're going with. I see.
Wait, what? How do you?
Check in 12.
What?
Just you gotta press where you want to go.
I pressed it. Oh, okay. I'm just not pressing.
Okay, and to distract Austin further, I did find out what the launch price of it was.
How much?
3,700 yuan.
Okay. Good save. Good save.
I was about to be like, say cap right now.
What's the translation of that?
That would be 560 freedom dollars.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So we basically paid full price. Got it. Okay, cool. That sounds lovely. I get it. This is very cool. I think that we overpaid by about $385.
But you have a piece of history.
Dead history.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I almost caught that one.
Oh,
for the
that one's
record.
appropriate.
The PowerUp 4.0 smartphone controlled paper airplane kit. What the hell do we need a smartphone controlled paper airplane for?
Do you not remember that we did this in like Mystery Tech, like episode 5?
5.
You mean like 2017?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember 2017. That was a long time ago. That was back when my hairline hadn't receded yet.
Well,
Well,
that's
that was before anyone told you the truth.
the Great Recession.
More power, more brains, more fun. So it's 10 minutes of flight time on a charge, 230 feet range, easy acrobatic flying, we'll see about that, and real-time telemetry with auto-stabilization in windy conditions. So this is the main component, which is just a couple of propellers.
Ooh, 2 propellers?
Yeah, it's the extra powerful model. Who wants to help me install the plane, or who wants to help me install the app, and who wants to help me build the plane?
You need help to build the plane?
Can do all of that.
Your paper airplane must
Must.
fly well on its own.
Before you carbon fiber it. Okay, so you do that. All right. Okay, so it's wait, now I've already done it backwards. That's some real professional. Look at that.
To really get a nice.
Look how even and correct that looks already.
Does it fly well on its own?
Let's find out. I think it will. Hey Ken, heads up. Oh. wait, hang on.
Yeah, that's what we call shooting in your own goal.
I think it's probably close enough. Is this going to be the most accurate depiction of how this product could possibly go? Maybe not. But here, you can build one while I crash mine.
Okay.
Ready? Give me full beans. Full beans for takeoff. Ready, set.
I think you need to throw it.
How much was the PowerUp 4.0?
I mean, how much would you pay for a normal paper plane, I guess?
Well, they're roughly free because you just take a piece of copy paper and do it. But this is app controlled and electronically powered.
Yeah.
So worth a solid $30.
Okay, well, how about you take that and you double it? We paid roughly $60 for it.
Really?
I'm mad at myself on that one.
I feel like we can just fly regular airplanes. This is nice, but
Well,
No, I fixed it.
okay, go ahead.
We have a perfect nose now. You ready?
Yikes!
Yeah.
That is a fast-ass plane. Okay, let's see, can it take off from us just a stop, all right? I'm just gonna let it go and see if it goes. Ready? Full beans. 3, 2, 1.
Why do you always aim your wrist down? It just goes.
It's like a flick of the wrist.
Yeah, and it makes it go down.
Well, you know what? We all go down in life sometimes.
Oh my God.
Why, hello there, my friends. Hopefully you're enjoying this episode of Mystery Tech. You've remembered to subscribe to the channel and ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling button. Do that now, before this box will change your mind about wanting to do that. Because once you subscribe, I don't know if you knew this, it's impossible to unsubscribe.
Why does it sound like you know what's inside that
I bought
box?
this thing.
You bought it.
Would anyone like to come and assist me in this unboxing operation? Any takers at all?
Ken's got it.
Come on up, my friend. In fact, I would actually say, go ahead and just do it yourself. I just want you to just experience.
Okay, is that any indication of any?
No, but before we start, can I just ask you a question?
Okay.
Ken, would you consider yourself to be one of the kids?
What?
What? No. Ew.
What does that mean?
Gross.
Would you consider yourself to be hip with the memes?
Maybe a little bit.
Would you consider yourself to be a Fortniter?
Oh God. Let me open this box.
Just go for it and share with the class.
Okay.
Oh no. I didn't know you could fit Ohio in a box.
So we have a Skibidi Toilet, ladies and gentlemen.
On the back. Look what's inside.
Look what's inside. One toilet container with sound effects, minifigures, mystery stickers, and an exclusive lanyard.
I don't even know where to begin, but
Don't worry, I'm bringing in an expert.
Okay. Now, you want me to tell you the craziest part of this? I bought this at Target. This was on an end cap at Target. Hello, Aaron.
Hello.
As our resident meme expert, can you help us dissect what a Skibidi Toilet is?
Well, you see, it's sort of just a thing that the kids are into. It's like, you know, it's kind of like the battle pass.
The battle pass. This is like a battle pass for your ass.
That looks like the battle pass.
Apparently, Austin found this at Target.
Will this give me Skibidi Riz, Ohio?
Wow.
Do you want that?
Should I
For the
start-
record, I just want to point out this is the most normal that Aaron's ever been.
I literally had to Google this because I had no idea what the hell this is.
It's like a video web series.
Yes, so it was originally from like, actually kind of our time. It was a machinima series.
Machinima?
Yeah, it actually started very early, but it took off very
Yes.
late.
I think if you're a taxpayer, this is not something you need to know.
That is a great point. Ready, set.
Oh, okay.
And is that bad?
Yeah, I don't think that's
That is a weirdly like well crafted.
Wait, okay, so what are mystery surprises?
How many more buttons are there?
I don't know, probably a lot. Oh, okay.
Oh God.
Oh, it's a mystery bag. Okay. So that's cool.
Is this?
A whittle TV.
A whittle TV.
All right, what's the next one? I got a sticker. I got Plunger Man.
I got a badge. I can go to the Skibidi Con.
And the last one is Speaker Man. That's actually a very heavy.
I think those are characters in the web series.
That would make sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you don't understand what the hell we're talking about, congratulations, you're a functioning member of society. If you do understand what we're talking about,
You have
I'm
dog
sorry.
water taste.
If you do understand what this is, go do your geometry homework.
Yes.